Alright everybody, welcome back to JohnBoys Small Engine Repair here on YouTube. And as promised, I told you I would do the video on this pollen boy kills me. We're going to replace this axle arm. It's like a control arm, you know. It's on this John Deere Scott's. It's a riding mower by John Deere. It's got the crawler engine in it. As in the previous video you saw, everything was on it, the hood's off. I had to remove the exhaust. Let's see if I can see that. It's just a couple bolts, 13mm for all three. Took the heat shield off of the exhaust. Those were 8mm bolts. There was 6 of them. So if you ever have to do this, I just try to help you out as best I can with the sizes and stuff. So there is a nut. It's like right here. Let's see if I can get you guys closer. I don't know if you can see that. Let's see. Can you see that? You hear all the chickens in the background? It's my neighbor's chickens. Okay. Not sure if you guys can see this. I'm on just a cheap Android phone for now. It's a 15mm bolt here and a 15mm on the back. And so I want to use my impact gun. Just going to take the wrench. Just make sure we're going the right way here. There's another bolt. And we're going to remove this nut. It's threaded. I don't know if it's threaded all the way through, but it's threaded on the back side here. And just remove it. I've already undone the deck hangers and stuff, the control arms, they were already undone. I'll show you the axle after I take it off, how bad it was. I couldn't sell it like this, so much to work. We're going on the right way. Alright. It's probably not threaded all the way through, but in theory, this should fall out after I jack it up, of course. And I was thinking maybe I could save the axle, but I can't. It's too far gone on the other side. We'll say that there. I may need a bolt down the road for something. Let's see if we can pick up this machine and we can drop the axle out of it. I've got chickens, people next door have got chickens, and this pollen is killing me. So, let me see if I can get my jack in there and try to pick this mower up just a little bit to take the suspension out of it. So I'll just show you the process of putting the A-arm, suspension, control arm, axle, whatever they want to call it, in. Remove all this stuff right here, the heat shield and all that fun stuff. And let's see if we can pick this mower up just a little bit. I have a garage, but I haven't got all my stuff into it yet. We're not going to pick it up there, are we? Well, let's just see what's holding. I think it's just the mower has to go up some more. Look, like that. Okay, there's the old suspension coming out. The jack's in the way now, of course. I've never had to replace a suspension or any steering parts on one of these mowers, so this is all new.